International passengers coming to India are mandated to file a self-declaration form on Air Suvidha portal. For ensuring the smooth passage of international travelers arriving in India, the Indian government has mandated contactless self-declaration by them on the Air Suvidha portal. The portal was launched in August 2020 and is used to ease international passenger arrival in India. The portal aids passengers in providing their details of travel and final stay along with RT-PCR and vaccination status among other details. In today's time, this helps the state officials in contact tracing. The implementation of the Air Suvidha portal intends to provide hassle-free, queue-free and convenient air travel to all international passengers arriving in India. To ensure the necessary prevention of the Omicron variant of COVID-19, the exemption forms in the Air Suvidha portal have been discontinued and filling of the details have been made compulsory for all international passengers arriving in India. Now, all international passengers arriving in India are mandated to declare their current health status prior to boarding on the Air Suvidha portal along with the required documents. For immigration, the copy received in email is essential on arrival in India and has to be verified at the APHO counter. According to the ministry, all applications from at-risk countries are marked with H and red band while others are marked green. This helps in smooth on-arrival segregation and processing. The application also takes into account countries visited in the last 14 days to highlight at-risk applications. This field has also been made into a multi-select drop-down option for standardization. For at-risk countries, passengers are advised to pre-book their test on arrival, and the links to the respective testing facilities are provided to the passengers on SDF submission.